Good morning, friends. Today is another episode of the Trinity Infinity's life. I woke up this morning and I'm really excited because I'm going to Oahu for a business trip. But I woke up, did my meditation, my breath work, and noticed that my Wi-Fi was not working. So thank God I still have 5G and I was able to use those resources to my advantage. But I soon found out that the power is out in my neighborhood. And I just encourage you to use these circumstances to really recognize how grateful and blessed we are to even have running water that's clean and to have electricity and to have all of these things that are not just given and they are actual gifts. So I'm gonna film this video with the intention of just feeling so blessed and grateful. And I'm having some sisters come over to do a nice little yoga flow. I'm gonna ask them if they feel comfortable on film or not, and probably film that little lesson to show you guys and hopefully do some prayer work and breath work together. I feel a little anxious when I'm traveling. It's definitely outside of my comfort zone doing it by myself and solo traveling. So I am going to embrace those little shakes and the slight anxiety that it gives me and push through anyway, because that's what life's about. You know, we don't give up. And although it makes me anxious a little bit, there's little tools and things that I've packed with me to help me to feel more comfortable and calm my mind and my body to make it more seamless for myself and everyone else around me. So yeah, I'm excited to film this video. So let's get to it. But I wanted to share my everyday makeup routine. And this is like basically the routine I do when I'm just like trying to get out the door and I just want to be comfortable. And so I always use my Skinbetter Science 68 SPF. I love it. And it tone corrects to your skin color. And I put this all over my face. I'm not gonna look into the camera because I want to see my face. But yeah, I only do this really. And then my brows, I spike them up a little bit. And then I curl my eyelashes and that's about it. I love this onesie. It's like perfect. I would definitely check out their new onesies that they came out with. I can't wait to show you guys. So I'm gonna make sure to ask them. But it's really nice to be respectful to others, especially when it's like filming and other things like touching people. Like, I just think it's really, really sweet to always ask prior. You don't know what someone's been through. And it's really important to be aware of those things. I think that a lot of people are just like unaware, and that's okay. But once you reach that level of awareness, it's just like really smart to start asking and being aware of the things that you do before you do them. I might add some more later after my little yoga flow, but I wanted to put on sunblock prior to the girls coming over because we're gonna do yoga outside. And then look at that. This eyelash curler is amazing. I absolutely swear by it. Like, come on. Get this eyelash curler if you want some pumping lashes, guys, for reals. But yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna find my chapstick. Yay. But yeah, I'm gonna follow up with some chapstick. My electricity's back on, so that's exciting. I'll probably add a little bit more to my everyday makeup tutorial, but this is about it. It's nice to be loved and to give love. And I use my Curology little chapstick. And this one's so nice, and the Lululemon Passionfruit one, it's just like perfect, honestly. And it comes with the box that you order once a month. And then my final little airport fit is my fuzzy headphones that have no sound. They just help me to feel really safe and like comfortable. And honestly, they make me feel like hawks on my ears. And I've noticed that like I'm just like quite a sensitive person, especially to sound and like feelings and just all the things in general. So having these headphones on, I feel like they really just help me to like stay in my own frame, to feel safe in my own frame. And so these are just a way that help me to feel like I'm home when I'm not home. Just because traveling does give me a little bit of anxiety sometimes, especially when I'm traveling by myself. So definitely recommend these. These are such a good buy. They're like $8 on Amazon, and these ones are actually softer than my white ones, so I'm definitely gonna order more of this. But yeah, we're gonna get into the things that I've packed for my Oahu trip next, and then probably a little bit more for my makeup tutorial. I'm gonna ask the sisters if they're okay if I record. If they're not, I might just want to be present, so I'm just gonna maybe not do that. Actually, I'm probably not gonna do that because I want to be present with their message, but maybe I'll ask them if I can record their message, and then we don't have to record the breath work and yoga flow. I'm really excited for this experience, and I hope that she and her companion are okay with being recorded because they have really beautiful things to say, and I would love to share it with you guys. So yeah, aloha.